I'm Tom from Simoniz. Today's our Simoniz Glasscoat product failure test. Yesterday, we took this new car,
we washed it, clayed it, polished it, and coated half of the car with Simoniz Glasscoat.
Now we're going to run it through the car wash 100 times, and we'll see what we come up with. So, after a long day of sitting in a car, going through a car wash over and over again, and a couple of tape applications, the Simoniz Glasscoat performed as expected.
We saw that the untreated side held water, and on the treated side, the water ran right off.